Hello everyone. Nothing to do with movies today. If you're here for movies, there will be a movie review this Saturday of Chappie, maybe Sunday morning I think. I'm just here to talk about a dress. A dress. You're probably wondering what this is. I cut myself, scratched it. We're here to talk about the dress. The white and gold dress. It is white and gold. People don't understand. Oh my god. It's so annoying. It's just so annoying because it is white and gold. People think it's blue and black. Actually, you know what color it is? You know what color it is? So no one gives a crap color. That's what color it is. Because we don't care. It's a dress. Think at diseases. More important things are going around the world. But no, the world is focusing on just a dress. Guys, this is really, 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 really annoying. And every time I put on the news, it's a dress, it's a dress, it's a dress, it's a dress. People are saying it's white and gold, people are saying it's black and blue. It's not black and blue. It's not black and blue. Oh man, every time I turn the news, like when I turn the TV off, I'm watching the dress. It's a train wreck. It's like they're talking about the dress and I'm like, and then when I switch it off, I'm like, oh my god, I can breathe now. It is so annoying. And maybe you guys can deal with it. I can't. There is more important stuff going around the world. So if we all just stop focusing on this dress, the world can be a better place. It is white and gold, if you want my opinion. But still, thank you for watching this video. If you were bored, sorry, but a movie review of Chappie is coming on Sunday morning. Might be my next video. I might do top 10 worst of all time. Different to the one I did like months ago. But still, see ya. White and gold. If you know it, don't support the dress at all. Right? Make a decision. Someone asks you, oh, what's the colour of the dress? You say white and gold, and then you say, alright, I'm not going to tell you anything else because I don't give a crap. That's what you say. You just don't give. Just don't give about the dress. That's what I do. I just don't give. But still, thank you for watching the video. Bye. Peace. White and gold. Peace.